What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are ya? Now, in today's video, oh my god, it is so exciting and so important because finally, after years and years, my anticipated first ever Jeffree Star Mascara is here! Yes! Now, before we even dive into today's video, yesterday I may have had a full face of Botox and fillers and a little refreshers, and if you've not been on Instagram or online in a while, I have no hair. So, good morning, how are ya? Now, I have wanted to shave my head and cut off my hair for years. I have always had this idea of, okay, when I launch my first ever mascara, I'm gonna cut off all my hair so you can really focus on my face and focus on my eyes only. So today we're here. And a few days ago, I had a liberating moment. I just took the shaver and it was gone, and I just feel so good. And I feel amazing. So today, we're debuting my mascara. Now, how did I already make 15 eyeshadow palettes and no mascara? I know. Listen, I know, but you guys know I'm a perfectionist, and I've been working on this formula for a very long time. And then, the packaging, baby, the packaging. Now, I have reviewed hundreds of mascaras. I have tried so many formulas. And for my first formula, I really wanted to do not just a mascara. I have to give you that experience because I know you guys have tried mascaras forever. If you love makeup or you wear makeup, we all wear mascara. I think we know that at this stage in our lives, right? So I'm like, if I'm gonna give you the Jeffree Star experience, I really have to bring it. So, it may have taken a few years longer, but it is finally here. Now, I don't even know if I'm allowed to say the name of my mascara on camera, on YouTube, but it is called Proof. Now, I know my trademark Proof Mascara did leak about a year or two ago, and a lot of you were like, oh my god, what is this? The name, it speaks for itself. This is a water-resistant, sweat-proof, proof, gag proof, cry proof, something that is really long lasting, that gives you real volume, and that looks sickening, but lasts all day with an easy removal. Then this is your formula. Because what I don't like is when you wear a mascara and it's waterproof, and then it really damages your lashes. It takes an hour to come off. It never really comes off, and it's always there. I wanted something that wore all day, but was easy to remove. Okay, now I know you guys have been waiting years for this, so let me just show you the packaging. Bam! Here she is. I am so proud of this, you guys. This has taken a long time to perfect, and you know, I'm never gonna create something just to create it, and if things take a long time, they take a long time. You're getting, of course, the real luxury experience. Ooh, look at my eyes, honey. Let's open her up, and introducing the Proof Mascara! Yes! Now, this sits in a velvet box. It is red, and inside, yes, this is an actual whip, and it is a mascara. Woo! Here is the packaging! Oh my god, bitch. Like, I am so proud of this. So this mascara was inspired by BDSM culture. Thank God for movies like 50 Shades of Grey, because I think the world is a little more in tune with kinky fetishes and the sort. Now this is like a cat o' nine tails whip, and baby, hello. Yes, it actually works. Now, when you open up the box and you see the mascara for the first time, here it is. It is, of course, vegan faux leather. It is fully wrapped around the component. We see the lettering, of course, in beautiful bright red metallic font. And of course, the logo is right here. Now, it was really difficult to create this and put a shade label, if you will, on it. So when you get the box, of course, you will see the mascara shade says black right there. Do we have amazing colors coming in the future? Of course, it's Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So we are starting off with black, of course. It is a classic. Black mascara is a staple in most everyone's eye looks or beauty routines. All right, so when you get it, of course, there is a shade label again right here, and you can easily cut that off, and bam. It's off. Now, of course, the whip is actually detachable. I know not everyone may want this on 24/7, so you can easily take this and slide it underneath. Bam. And that's it. Now, of course, I am gonna keep this on forever, but for those of you that may not want the whip on 24/7, it is removable. Now, when we're zooming in and you're looking at the applicator, you'll notice the grooves in there. There are several of them in there, and they really get the product on every single lash. They separate it, they make it really full. Of course, it's gonna give you volume, and I just really wanted to give you that fake lash experience, but without wearing fake lashes. So the mascara brush, it is plastic. The bristles are paired perfectly with my vegan formula. You know, Jeffree Star Cosmetics is a full vegan. Now, this is gonna create length and volume, absolutely. And you guys know I am never gonna give you something of low quality, and I am so proud of this formula. Girl, I know we're about to put it on my eyes, but this formula, it's infused with shea butter. There's biotin in there to help your lashes grow. All right, you guys, it's time to put on the formula. Hello, so I have nothing on my eyes except a little bit of shimmer, of course, foundation, concealer, blush, lipstick, lip liner. We're hiding some bruises today. Oh my God. But hello, let's apply Miss F Proof Mascara. A lot of product doesn't run out. I hate when you are dipping into a wand and it just gets everywhere. So a lot does not come out, thankfully, and it's on the brush, like it's ready to go. All right, let's apply her. Now I just go right in, and I like to work the product, bam, into the lashes. Hello, one coat. Now I like to just shimmy the brush into my actual lashes, obviously, and make sure they are really coated. Now, normally I would just dunk in once and I would use the brush for both sides, but I want to give you guys the real before and after so you guys see what the formula is actually serving. So let's do the bottoms. All right, so here's one side with the mascara formula on, and one side with absolutely nothing. It really gives you that false lash appearance, and I love just wearing mascara by itself. I actually did it for like a year on this channel, and I boycotted fake lashes, but here's the before and after. All right, now the art and the photo shoot for this campaign was extraordinary. It was so fun. I really wanted to give you that dungeon fantasy that like you're in a real fetish Jeffree Star world. So we had everything custom made. The outfits were all full latex. I had so much fun. Oh my God. Now that outfit on the bed with me covered in buckles and everything, insane. It was so hard to move in, but the fantasy, the hair, the makeup, like, oh, it really came to life, and the models and everyone, they absolutely killed it. From the set design to the wigs to the hair to the photography. I'm just so proud of where we are going with this brand. And the mascara, like I said in the intro, it's a mascara, but I wanted to give you more than just a mascara. This is a very resistant formula. It is very pitch black, and it just looks absolutely beautiful. Now, a tubing mascara, that is like little polymers that are coating your lashes, so you're not really destroying them. It's keeping them really nice and healthy. And to remove really warm or hot water, and it will slush off. I know that sounds a little weird, but I know a lot of you have used mascara like that where it will just kind of, you know, just fall off. But overall, humidity, sweat proof, swimming, normal cold water, extreme orgies, anything, this mascara is going to keep you looking sickening. All right, let's, of course, we have to put the formula on the other side of my eyes over here on Miss Left side, if you will. Now, this is always so weird when you're doing YouTube because I always hold the mirror. I'm right-handed, so I always cross my hand over, bam. Here we go. All right, let's get into the details, baby. Literally, this mascara, it comes out March 20th. That's tomorrow! And if you're watching this in the future, it's out! So tomorrow at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the F Proof Mascara will be out. And the retail, let's get to that small little tidbit. The retail is only $23 for the F Proof Mascara. I know we took a long time to create a formula. I am so excited about this, and tomorrow it is out into the world. I can't wait for everyone to try this. The mask mandates are ending in a lot of places, but we're gonna be living in a mask world for a long time. And the eyes, bitch, they're the windows to the soul. So if you are a little, maybe afraid of wearing lip products right now, or you're only into eye stuff, I fully get it. Or if your job requires you to wear a mask all day and people can only see your eyes, mascara, it's the go-to. Now, I know this name and product may not be for everyone, but I don't think I'm for everyone. But I really wanted to give you guys the full fantasy, and I am so excited. So tomorrow, we'll see you for the launch. Bye, guys.